really what I wanted to do was just touch on some of the key messages that I think that have come out today. So just looking back through Roger's presentation, looking at the growth and the demand for virtualization, the comments that Paul was making with regards to the growth and demand for cloud computing and delivering software as a service and the pay-as-you-go model. And within that, the importance of these solution integrators to be able to bring all of these components together to deliver successfully to the marketplace. Hearing from Tim about the real opportunity with intercompany communication and collaboration technologies. And again, we'll get to see some of those later on in the exhibition arena. And again, Tim reinforced this point, the integration capabilities are vital in this market that we're in today. René, not just about cost saving, it's also about investing for the future, getting the infrastructure right to build and grow your organizations as we come out of this downturn. Nigel from BT, so we've heard about the continued investment in the 21st century network, and we've certainly heard about the growth and size and speed of these network connections. Dan, so we heard about, yes, we can save money through these new wave network technologies, but again, reinforcing the points that by saving the money, we can use this to reinvest in other areas for our organizations. And finally, hearing from Reza, so the process of convergence most definitely has become complex. And we've been very fortunate to help a lot of clients bring all of these technologies together from, in fact, all of the partners that we've heard from today, plus many more, and get these technologies working in unison to really drive people's businesses forward, to help optimize the expenditure, and also to really create that environment of adding simplicity into how people are working. You know, the point is that all of these points, all of these services and technologies are coming together, and in my view, that's where companies such as Britannic really come to the fore, is how through partnership we're able to really unify the technology, unify the service, and support the business needs that you have in your organizations. So 25 years old, it's our 25th party today, so I look forward to catching up with you all in the grandstand later on. We are an independent company, so you've heard presentations today from a number of our partners, which represents really a wide spectrum of the market that we see today. We have a very strong history of innovation and development, stretching back over our 25 years in business. And we have a can-do culture, so we look forward to working with customers and relish these challenges of bringing this technology together within this, this converged world in which we live. We're very customer-focused, and I'm pleased to say, following the acquisition of a software house 9 years ago, we really saw where this market was going. We saw the skills that we were going to need moving forward, of needing to integrate voice, data, video, applications together to support our customers' requirements. So 9 years ago, we had that vision, and we executed it and have continued to build and develop the skill sets within our business to where we are at today with some really strong, technically capable individuals that come together to support our customers. We do take a collaborative approach, so it's one of partnership. We don't see our customers as customers, we see them as partners. And it's not a short-term relationship that we seek or indeed have with our clients. It's a business that's really built on the foundations of long-term partnerships and commitments to our clients, many of which span 10, 15, some even over 20 years. So we do a lot of events, as we mentioned at the start of this today, and we talk to a lot of customers and other organizations, and there's many things that our customers are looking at doing in this world in which we're in today. Clearly, cost savings is a major focus. due to the economic climate. Whilst we've been providing voice over IP now for, seven years, there's still a number of organisations that haven't made the transition to IP telephony. So there's a lot of organisations that we still see that are looking for assistance and best practice to deploy IP telephony. We heard from Reza about the importance of getting the right amount of bandwidth in the network. We've most definitely heard that there's more bandwidth available, but still we need to understand what are the actual requirements and how do we make the best use of the resources we've got today. I want to add more and more applications to the network. So we've heard from Cisco about the acquisitions that they've made and the changes and developments and where this market's going around adding more and more applications to the network. I want to ensure the performance and availability of my applications works across the network. You know, what do customers say? What do staff say? What do the business say? We just expect this technology to work. So it's getting more and more complex. We've moved to a time where the expectation is one of 24/7. The expectation is around speed and availability. So whilst this market has become more confusing and complex, the technology needs to work and be available. I want to improve the management visibility, whether it be network-based management, whether it be call management and statistics around the customer service engagements that we have within the contact center. We need the tools and information to be able to govern our businesses properly. I want business continuity. So I started this session off, we were talking about the flu pandemic. We also are being asked more and more to build greater resilience into our customers' networks and communication platforms. So this is something we will see more as we move forward with the advent of the BSI standard, BS 25999. We'll see that being pushed through the supply chain. So what we need to do is to build resilience into our organisation. We certainly get asked by our customers what our business continuity plans are because we're delivering critical services for them to deliver back into the marketplace. I want to reduce my supply chain. And I'll share with you some projects that we've recently been involved in. And not only does it help to improve the overall management, but most definitely there's some economies of scale that can be achieved there as well. I want to future-proof my investment. So that's a great marketing term that's been around for a long time. But how do we actually get more out of this technology? How do we go down a path that will enable us to continue to grow and evolve with the business needs and also customer requirements? I want a partner who will understand me and work proactively with me. And that's something that really, for me, one of the key reasons we started running these events is that there is so much out there. There's so much great technology and great networks and great services, but it can be really confusing and it moves at such a pace. So what we want to do is to really involve our customers in this development and share with them the many great things that can be achieved. I want to link the databases and telephone systems together. So this is around the efficiency drives and the productivity improvements. I want to get a greater return out of existing investments, and I want to increase sales. So these are some of the things that we get asked by our customers. And it's certainly that strategic approach that we take with customers of looking, as per Reza, the holistic approach, big picture, where are you at, where are you trying to get to? And it's also then addressing those tactical requirements along the way as well. And interestingly, I'll share with you some recent initiatives we've introduced that are around freeing up cost and investments to create, in essence, self-funding projects so that you can move forward along your technology roadmap to keep pace with those business needs.